for the 17 times I come to the festival. Yes, but sometimes I come as a director. But for the past 2 years I've been coming as an actor.
My name is Rosalind van der Merwe and my business is called Also Peachy, and I'm here about 23 years. I'm very excited. The weather already seems so promising. Usually we come and there's a whole lot of rain coming along with us from Cape Town.
Everybody is happy to be here because there is too much fun.